Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add gradient to image in Photoshop. Right now I have this photo right here, and in order to add gradient to this photo we need to add background to the photo first. So you can choose any background you like. The background could be image, color, it's up to you. In my case I would love to choose color as a background, and the color I'm gonna choose is this one right here. So in order to do that we just need to click on this little circle icon, click on solid color, click on OK for now, and just shift this just below the image layer. Double click on this color and just choose the color you would like to choose. In my case I would love to pick this color, so just click on that, click on OK. Now we have set the background just underneath of our image. So in order to add the gradient to the image we need to select the image first, then we're gonna add mask. So for that just click on this icon, make sure the mask is selected, then head over to left panel and just hold your left click right here, choose the gradient tool, and by using this tool you can add gradient to your image. So you just need to draw the line like this by using your mouse, and the gradient will get added to your image. The best part is that you can add the gradient from any side you like. That could be from right, that could be from left, as well as you can add the gradient from top. In my case I would love to add gradient from bottom side like this. And yeah, that's it. This is exactly how you can add gradient to your image in Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.